Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Word because the theme lives in Options. Open File and choose Options now. In general, personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This controls colors across apps. Choose Office Theme to see choices. Dark gray and black are available depending on your version. Make sure updates are applied. Newer builds add features and fix glitches. Once done, save or close Options so the theme applies. This step sets the foundation. You're changing the global appearance, not just one document. Now tailor the display. Pick black for the strongest dark mode or dark gray for subtle contrast. This changes ribbons and backgrounds so your eyes strain less. If you want the document page itself dark, uncheck Never change the document page color. This forces the page to inherit the app theme. For sync settings, verify you're signed into the same Microsoft account so themes persist across devices. Once set, close Options. Your UI updates immediately, and you can inspect contrast and readability. Finish by confirming the change in other Office apps if you want a consistent look. Sign-in sync helps. If text seems hidden or high contrast elements break, go to Design Page Color and revert to white for that document. This separates page color from UI theme. If the theme won't stick, restart Word, check for pending updates, or temporarily disable add-ins that override UI. One key tip: sign out and back in to force profile sync. This often resolves stubborn theme inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.